Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Ford Fusion cabin air filter. First, ensure your vehicle is unlocked and open the passenger door. You'll need a new cabin air filter, a 7mm socket with a ratchet, and a Phillips head screwdriver. A plastic pry tool is also very helpful for safely removing interior trim pieces. This simple maintenance task significantly improves your car's interior air quality and helps your heating and air conditioning system run more efficiently. Now, let's get started by opening your glove box and removing everything inside. Next, carefully use your pry tool to remove the plastic trim panel on the outer edge of the dashboard, near the passenger door. Then, remove the trim piece that runs along the dashboard directly above the glove box. Finally, locate and remove the 4 7mm bolts that hold the entire glove box assembly in place. 2 are above, and 2 are below the glove box opening. With the glove box loose, gently pull it out and disconnect the electrical connector for the glove box light. Set the glove box aside. You will now see the cabin air filter housing. Remove the 2 Phillips head screws securing its cover, one on each side. Push in the retaining tabs on both sides of the cover, then pull it down to open. Now, you can carefully slide the old cabin air filter straight out of its slot. Note its orientation for the new filter. Take your new cabin air filter and ensure the airflow arrow points downwards, then slide it into the housing. Close the filter cover, making sure the tabs snap into place, and reinsert the 2 Phillips head screws. Reconnect the glove box light's electrical connector. Then, align the glove box and push it back into position, securing it with the 4 7mm bolts. Finally, snap the dashboard trim pieces back into place. You're all done. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.